Welcome to Nariseki, and today let's make moong sprouts salad, moong sprouts raita, cooling during summer season. So here I have moong sprouts. I have the video in the description how to make moong sprouts if you don't know. So this, rinse the moong sprouts and keep little water for boiling. We are going to cook this moong sprouts just right, not too mushy, not too raw. Add some salt, a little bit of salt, and you can do it in the pressure cooker, but they should not be mushy. You will lose all that crunchiness. So I prefer to cook it this way, just 5 minutes. And to this I'm going to add turmeric powder. Turmeric powder is optional, but I like to add turmeric whenever possible in my food, because turmeric is very good for health. And now we are going to make the sauce, which is I have taken 2 green chilies and some cilantro and mint. Mint is very good during summer season. And cumin powder. Cumin powder is also cooling and very good for the digestive system. Add a little bit of water and blend it into a paste. And this you can store by making extra. So the moong sprouts are ready. I'm going to strain the water. You can use this water, remaining water, for curry, dal, soups, whatever you want. Take yogurt, whisk it a little bit, and you can keep all the ingredients ready and make it when you're ready to eat, because otherwise it will leave the moisture and the water, it will become watery. So add the spice mix, as spicy as you want, because there are green chilies in this, so you can add, mix it well. And this is very cooling during summer season, very healthy for kids. You can adjust the spices and give it to kids, they will love it. And now some black pepper powder for extra spiciness, because black pepper is also good for digestive system, a little bit limited. So now the moong sprouts, I have drained all the water out, discarded, and cooled down completely, and add it to the yogurt and mix it well. And this, you keep the moong sprouts cooked and all the spices mixed and everything, but make it at the last minute when you're ready to serve, because if you make it ahead of time or add salt, it will become watery and it won't taste good. To this I'm adding pink salt, Himalayan pink salt, and you can also add regular salt and spices after tasting it. Adjust taste. You can serve this with the rice, with roti, paratha, with biryani, pulao, whatever you make. It's simply really good. I love it like anything, and it's very tasty and healthy too. Do try this and let me know if you have any questions or comments. Please subscribe Nariseki for more videos. Thank you for watching.